Morning, my name is Devkit. I'm a student of Functional School of Technology. I am currently in my second semester, and my first semester I've learned some programming language like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and we are currently solving some DSA problems and learning React. So in this video, I'm going to explain to create a registration form that should take data from the user and show a welcome message in alert and print all the data in the form of object in the console. So first let me share my screen. So here first I have created a component folder, and inside the component folder I have created a file form.jsx, and in the app.js I have uh, called the form component. First imported a form component, and here I have called the form component. First let's see how my form looks. So here if we put anything, let's say my name and password and imaginary phone number and email address, and if we log in, then it shows a welcome message of the user, and here it created an object of the all the details of the user that they put inside it. So let's see the code. First I created a function, imported imported a use state from React and imported CSS, then created a function and exported it by default and name it form, same as in the name of file. And here in return, first I've created a div form box for the CSS, and inside the div I've created a form, and on submit this function will trigger and work. And here I have written sign up form, which is this sign up form, and in the CSS I have aligned the text to center, and here I created a label username, which is this, and an input, and the type of input is text, so we can write the text inside this, and the class name is box, and ID name same as this. And here I have created another label for password and input for password, and in each of the inputs uh, I have set on change. If we write anything on inside the input, this on change will trigger and handle change function will run, and if the handle change function run, uh, event is passing through this function as a parameter, and I have created a use state here. So inside the use state, user is the variable, and set user is the function that sets the value of the user, uh, and the default value of this user is an object. The name of the object is a user, and inside the default value of the user is the key name, and the value of the key is empty, and the key password, and it is also empty, phone number and email, which is also empty. So we have to set the value of this key by using the input of this username, password, phone number, and ID. So if we write anything on them, this on change is trigger and handle change function will run. and it sets the value of user by using a set user method. It takes the old it takes the previous value of the user and first spread using spread operator. It spread it and sets uh, take the id by e.target.id. It takes the id and set the value of that input inside this id, and it does for all the inputs. So everything, name, password, phone and email will be set. And if we click on the login, this on submit trigger and handle submit function will run. So in handle submit, first this will run. So this prevents the page from refresh itself, and the data will not lost. And it show the alert welcome and user dot name. So user is the object, and user dot name is the which give the uh, value of the name key, and it shows the and we can see inside the console by this console.log user. This user object will show inside the console. So let's check again if we write anything in this and click on the login. It shows the welcome user, and if we click on OK, this object will show here on the console. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching this.